So in my video, we're going to be finding out period and amplitude and how to find it and what it is on the graph. So starting off, the amplitude is, so we're going to start off with y equals -1/2 cosine 4x. The amplitude is what we're going to start off with. So the amplitude is going to be the absolute value of this, whatever is in front of the cosine of 4x. So that is just going to be, so the absolute value of 1/2 is just 1/2 because, excuse me, is 1/2 away from 0. And on the graph, this is going to be what, the amplitude is what makes the graph either like shallow or steep. And I don't know if that makes any, like, however big, the bigger this is, the steeper this will be, and the smaller it is, the more shallow it will be. So that just affects the verticalness of the graph. And the period is the opposite, like the 4x. Your period is just going to be 2 pi, so 1 full rotation around, say like if you had a circle, then it would just be 1 full rotation all the way around. So 2 pi over the absolute value of 4. So we're just going to take the 4, and that's just going to be 4. It's not negative or anything. We don't have to get rid of it. So 2 pi over 4 will be your period, and that simplifies into pi over 2. The period is going to be the distance between one full, like, unit of what, like, this goes down and then repeats and goes down. So this would be one period in between here. So this would be, this line would be pi over 2. And then if you continue this line on, it would be another pi over 2 in between, like, say here. So it would just keep going around in this period right here. This would also be pi over 2. So the period and amplitude pretty much just affect, the amplitude affects the verticalness, and the period, if you take this, like, this will just squeeze in or go out, so it affects the horizontal part of your line. And that's pretty much it. Just period and amplitude, just transformations on the line affects what it's going to look like in the end.